Okay guys, welcome. So have you been looking for a way to verify either a website, application or any other popular platform which you need US, UK, Germany, Belgium or any other country's number to receive an authentication which is OTP and you don't have? So in today's video, I will be teaching you how to get all these numbers and verify whatever you want to verify for free. And when I say for free, without you paying any dime, for free. So let's get started. So I will use an application, for example, which is a general application where I can verify either UK, US or Belgium phone number. So let's get started. I'll open this app. I'm just using this app as an example. So let's search for United. Let's go with United Kingdom. Now the next thing is you go to our browser. So I'm using this browser today. So we search for this. This right here. I'll leave the link in the description below. So you click the first option. Yeah. So you just as you can all see here are US number, UK, Germany, Australia, all for free. So let's just click one number out of here. Let's click this. So as you can see, unfortunately, you just click sign in, then you sign up. Sign up here. Then you put image here. Let's go with this. Let's sign up. So let's click on. I'll go for the UK number again. Let me verify the mail. I have to verify the mail. So here is the link. So the reason I copied the link was because the browser I'm using is not my default browser, so that's why I copy it here, but you can just click it directly. So now our account is verified. So you just click go to dashboard, then from this our dashboard, then you click home right here, then you come back. Now it's time to select your UK number. So let's click on this. As you can see, there are a lot of messages here. You can see this one, use it to verify PayPal. So it's just for verifications. So let's also copy the number and verify. Let's copy, then go to our application here and paste and verify. So now as you can see, it's asking for 4-digit code. Let's go to our web and wait for the code. Here is it. As you can all see, 8836. So down. So guys, after we are verify our UK account, So now let's go to the browser and see which other country are available. Okay, now let's go with Germany. As you can all see, there are also verifications here. So let's get started now. Click on start. Let's go with Germany. Then let's go and copy our number. Copy. Then you verify. This go with all websites or either browser. That's just same thing. So it's easy and simple. Let's wait for the number to drop. Let me refresh. Okay, it's here. As you can all see, the code is here. 7732. Continue. And sharp. That's it. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will also share another free website where you can also get same thing like this, which is also free. So don't forget to follow, like and subscribe. Thank you.